Today we're diving into the world of Keras and exploring the different types of layers you can use in your neural networks. Let's get started. Keras is a high-level neural network API, written in Python and capable of running on top of TensorFlow. It allows you to build and train models with ease. Let's explore some common layers used in Keras. A dense layer is the most common layer in Keras. It's a fully connected layer where each neuron receives input from all neurons of the previous layer. Here, we add a dense layer with 64 units and ReLU activation function. Convolutional layers are used mainly in image processing. They apply a convolution operation to the input to capture spatial features. This conv2D layer applies 32 filters of size 3x3. Max pooling layers are used to downsample the input, reducing its dimensions and highlighting the most important features. This max pooling 2D layer reduces the input size by taking the maximum value in each 2x2 pool. A flatten layer converts a 2D matrix of features into a vector, making it suitable for dense layers. Dropout layers are used to prevent overfitting by randomly setting a fraction of input units to 0 at each update during training. This dropout layer randomly sets 50% of input units to 0. LSTM layers are used for sequence data, like time series or natural language processing tasks. They help in capturing long-term dependencies. This LSTM layer has 50 units and returns sequences to the next layer. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.